Own your morning, own your life. Good morning, champions. Windley here from DBIMR Relief Net, giving you a boost to own your day. Today's morning mojo: own your morning, own your life. How you start your morning shapes your whole day. Mindset first, energy first, gratitude first. Before the emails, the distractions, the world's noise, claim your space. Read something uplifting. Move your body. Plan your goals. And so tap into the energy of opportunity, because with AI and technology at your fingertips, the possibilities are honestly limitless at any age. Your dreams don't retire, and neither does your purpose. Hey, you can find more inspiration at dbimrreliefnet.com and fuel your mornings for greatness. Today is yours. Claim it, shape it, own it.